Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick look at the latest news that we have for the next version of Windows 10, officially called May 2019 update. And that means that it's going to take a little more time before it actually shows up. They have made major changes to their policies, and this is quite interesting what's happening today. So Microsoft announced this morning that the next version of Windows is going to be called the May 2019 update. We also learned that it's going to be tested longer, so people in the insider rings, especially those that are on release preview, well, you'll get it next week. This is quite a big change, and there's quite a few things also that are changing. Starting with the next version of Windows, you will now have the possibility to defer or just not install any of these major updates right away. That means if you have a new version of Windows, what we call feature updates, you'll be able to just leave them there and not install them as long as you don't want, except if your Windows 10 version is about to expire. So this is major changes. If you have cumulative updates, you'll be able to defer even on the home version updates up to 35 days, but 7 days at a time, which is quite interesting. This is really changing the game, basically. Now, this is according to Michael Fortin, which is the one of the big guys there at Microsoft, and he's kind of saying that, okay, we heard users, we heard that people are annoyed at the updates, they're annoyed that they can't do anything about them, that the updates are disruptive, and they are, of course, implementing these new features. And I think it's a welcome change to the way that Microsoft thinks. It's a welcome change to what's happening. So, yep, it's going to be here in May, sometime in May. May 2019 update is their official name now, and this is quite interesting, as everybody was pretty much sure that it would actually come out in April. Well, now it's the May 2019 update. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.